This is the third explanation. I mean to get this table. It is required to memorize this table. Two techniques I told you before. The last technique, this is the actual method of learning, but many students they do not like this technique. I am showing you. First I am showing 45 degree. I am drawing one 45-degree triangle. Now triangle means all the triangle is 90 degree. So one angle it must be 90 degree. This is 45 degree. So what will be the remaining angle? 3 angle makes 2 right angles. So one right angle is there. So another 2 angle. This plus this will be 90 degree. So this angle will be 90 minus 45. That is 45. Now since these two angles are equal, their opposite sides are also equal. This one and this one are equal. So if you consider them as A, this is A and this is A. You can consider, or you can consider 1 only. Anything you can consider. I am considering 1 and this is 1. Now if you consider this thing, then hypotenuse you consider x. So by Pythagoras theorem you can write x square equal to what? Perpendicular square, that is 1 square plus 1 square. That is equal to 1 plus 1 2. So what is the value of x? Root over 2. You can consider a and a also, general case. But 1 if you consider, then also result will be same. Now find sine 45 degree. Now what is the formula of sine? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Some people have perpendicular by hypotenuse. So what is the value of perpendicular? 1. What is the value of hypotenuse? See here, root 2 you have got. So right here root 2. Hypotenuse value is root 2. So sine 45 we have got 1 by root over 2. See the table, sine 45 1 by root over 2. Then cos 45. What is cos 45? Base by hypotenuse formula. Curly brown hair. Some people have curly brown hair. So this is some people have curly brown hair. What is the value of base? 1. What is the value of hypotenuse? Root over 2. So cos 45 value is 1 by root over 2. See the table, cos 45 1 by root over 2. Then tan 45. What is the formula? Tans perfectly black. Tans perfectly black, that is perpendicular by base. The formula uses to remember sin theta. Some people have curly brown hair, tans perfectly black. So perpendicular is 1 and base is also 1. So 1 by 1, that is 1. Similarly you will get cot equal to base by perpendicular. Every value you will get. So I have shown you how to get 45 degree. Now let me show 30 degree. So 30 degree one triangle I am drawing. This is 30 degree and you know this is 90 degree triangle. So if this is 90 degree, so another this angle will be 90 minus 30, that is 60 degree. Now this small side you increase in such a way that you extend such a way that this equal to this. Now join this. We can prove that these two triangles are congruent. Then this also will be 30 and that also will be 60. Now see 60, 60, 60. So big triangle is an equilateral triangle. So if you consider this one A, this will be 2A. Sorry, this is also A. So A plus A 2A. So this side 2A, this side also 2A. But I am not considering with A. I can consider with, I am considering with 1. This is 1, this is also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, this is 2. And this side, I am considering x. So by Pythagoras theorem, x square equal to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. That is 4 minus 1, that is 3. So if x square equal to 3, then x equal to root over of 3. So here you write root over 3. Now sine, here it is 30 degree. So sin 30 is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is 1 by 2. So sin 30 is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is 1 by 2. Got. Similarly, cos also base by hypotenuse, that is root 3 by 2. Tan 30 equal to perpendicular by base, that is 1 by root 3. Similarly, sin cos tan cot sec cosec, everything we will get. So this is of 30 degrees. So I did 30 degree, 45 degree. Now let me show 60 degree. So for 60 degree, I am drawing one 60 degree triangle. This is 90 degree. This is 60 degree. So obviously this angle will be 90 minus 60, that is 30 degree. Now small side if you increase, you produce, then join this. These two triangles can be shown congruent. So if you consider this angle 1, this is also 1. And this total big triangle is an equilateral triangle. So 1 plus 1 2, that means this side also 2, this side also 2. Now this one if you apply, if you consider x, then consider Pythagoras theorem, x square equal to 2 square minus 1 square. 2 square minus 1 square. That is 4 minus 1, 3. Then what is the value of x? Root over 3. So put here value of x root over 3. Now see sin 60 perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 base by hypotenuse, that is 1 by 2. Tan 60 perpendicular by base, that is root 3 by 1. Similarly cot sec cosec, everything you will get. So I have shown you 30, 45, 60. Now I will show you 0 degree. Now 0 degree, if I try to do, see here, I cannot draw the triangle because 0 degree. But one technique you see this is 90 degree. I am reducing the angle. This is less than 90 degree. So this is the perpendicular. This is base and this is perpendicular. If you draw less angle than that angle, then see this is perpendicular. Now this is perpendicular. Again draw small angle. See the perpendicular is decreasing. Again draw the perpendicular becoming shorter. Again draw more shorter. So perpendicular, ultimately perpendicular will be 0. And this one is hypotenuse, it is coming down. Hypotenuse, it is lying with base. So hypotenuse and base are equal. So you consider hypotenuse equal to 1 or a, base equal to also 1 or a. Then sin 0 degree. What is the value of sin 0 degree? Formula is perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is the value of perpendicular? 0. 0 by 1, that is equal to 0. That is why sin 0 equal to 0. Similarly, cos 0, that is base by hypotenuse, that is 1 by 1 equal to 1. Since all the three sides length you have got, so you will get sin cos tan cot sec cosec. Now I am showing you 90 degree how to do. See here, 90 degree. Again, let's say here 0 degree. So you increase the angle, then what will be the perpendicular? This one. Again increase, the perpendicular is increasing, see, but base is decreasing. Perpendicular is increasing, the base is decreasing. Size of perpendicular is increasing when the angle is increasing. Now when it is 90 degrees, see, this base becomes 0. That is base equal to 0 and perpendicular and hypotenuse both are equal. That is equal to 1 you consider or a you consider. Then sin 90 degree is equal to, this is sin 90 degree is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse by hypotenuse. What is the value of perpendicular? That is 1 by hypotenuse is 1. So sin 90 value is 1. Now cos 90, that is base by hypotenuse, that is 0 by 1, that is equal to 0. Like this all value you will get sin cos tan cot sec cosec. This is the actual technique. Now 3 techniques I told. The one which you like most, you do in that way, and that's all for this video.